Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. FM, financial management. Financial management, you can say, is something which you are learning very first time. Although in MA you have little taste of FM, but here we will discuss the financial management in deep detail. What is financial management? In one sentence, in one line, I used to say that managing the finance of the company, managing the money of the company, managing the cash of the company. This is financial management. Simple, managing the financials, managing the finances of a company is under the umbrella of financial management. Now, the thing is, before we start discussing financial management and course outline, the first thing is paper. We will have paper with same format like it is for skills level. Section A. Section A gonna be MCQs. There will be 15 MCQs and one MCQ will worth 2 marks, total 30 marks for section A. Examiner is suggesting section A can be any area of the syllabus. Any area of the syllabus. Okay, fine. Section B. Section B again, same thing, OTQs. OTQ, you will have 3 OTQs. Okay. Each OTQ, only one OTQ will be how many marks? Will have 5 questions. Each question will worth 2 marks. So one OTQ will worth 10 marks. Total 3 OTQs, which means section B is again 30 marks. We are asking examiner, hey examiner, do you have any specific area for section B? Like in taxation, we have VAT, we have inheritance tax, we have CGT, specific areas. Here, FM, examiner says I can test anything, any part of the syllabus. Okay, fine, no problem. Now moving to the section C, which is CRQ, constructive response question. Here you have Excel where you need to type your answer. Remember one thing, section C, not like text. It's similar to FR. You will have 2 questions, 20 marks, 20 mark, 2 questions. One question will be for 20 marks, 2 question will sum 40 marks. Got my point? And total is 100 marks paper, 50 marks required to pass the paper. Question is, sir, in section C, in taxation, we used to know the areas. In FR, we know is going to come from ratio or consolidation and final accounts either. So here, do we have any specific topics? So yes, we do have. The examiner is suggesting section C is going to be from either he is going to test working capital management. Working capital management, okay, it's a topic. Next one, he might ask you a question from investment appraisal. You had a little taste of investment appraisal in your MA paper, like present value and this type of things. Here is going to come in deep detail. Next one is important topic is business finances. Okay. So examiner is suggesting working capital management, investment appraisal, business finances are the topics which I will going to examine in this area. Okay, in this section C part, those 3 topics are gonna be examined by the examiner. Got it or no?
I understand.
Okay, now there is a thing. Sir, taxation is a computation based paper. Yes. FR computation based paper. Sir, what about M, financial management. So financial management is not a computational based paper. Yes, it is not. Here, currently, what is coming, you can say 60%, 50 to 60%, 50 to 60% theory, and remaining 40 to 50%, 40 to 50% calculation. Yani, without learning theory, we cannot pass FM. Yani FM is going to be your first paper after TX and FR, where you are going to learn theory. You have to keep the things in your mind. You have to write definitions. Yani you need to apply the knowledge. Like in AS A2 level papers, paper 3 of A level, paper 4 of A level, you have to apply the knowledge. So same thing you need to do here. You need to apply the knowledge. Application of knowledge is key to success in this paper. Numerics, calculation, all okay, but only if you know the calculation, you will not pass the paper. Simple and concrete thing I am saying. Without having grip on theory, which you are good at, you cannot pass FM. So always remember, FM is not a game of calculation, it's a game of theory, come calculation. Theory is very important. After theory, then calculation will help you to pass the paper. Got it or no?
I got it.
Okay. Now, the important areas of the syllabus. First thing, very, yani you can say a good thing, a good news is FM syllabus is not like TX, it's not like FR, it's a very short syllabus. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. It's not like TX, 1,000 pages of book. No, it's not like FR, too much IS, too many IS, consolidation, this, that drama. No, it is a short syllabus. And as I said, it includes theory. So theory means too much short. Yani theory is just easy to understand. So it's fine. The topics which are part of our syllabus. Number one, financial management function. What is that? Financial management function. Financial management function means that it's completely 100% you can say is a theory. That what is financial management? Yani because it's a new thing for students, no? It's something new. Students are learning. So here the book, the study hub is explaining you or teaching you or explaining you what is financial management about. So it's simply theoretical based section. Okay. Second one, financial management environment. How a financial management applies in the real world, something like that. What are the uses of financial management? How we can control the money, how we can control our finances. That's, you can say, the second part of the syllabus. Again, it includes theoretical area, very less calculation. Okay. Next one is coming up. Now the third one is calculation base. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions you have? Sorry.
No, I understand.
Okay. Now the third area. Third part is the calculation part. Very famous, working capital management. If I give a hint, what is working capital? Make it very simple and easy. Current asset minus current liability is known as working capital, right or wrong? Current asset minus current liability. Yani, do you have sufficient current assets to repay your current liabilities? That's the question. If yes, okay. If no, problem. If you are in problem of work, if you are facing working capital problem, how you can deal with it? Okay, theory. How to calculate working capital? Okay, calculation. And there are ratios and that type of things, which you can say calculation part of this area is easy. Theory is too much in this area. How to control working capital, how to spend spare working capital, what we can do if we have shortage of working capital, something like that. And deep detail we are going to discuss in this area. Next one is my favorite, investment appraisal. What is appraisal? You have a project, you're supposed to do the project or you're supposed not to do the project. You must do the project, you must not do the project. Yes, wala no. Decide. Decision making. Investment appraisal, decision making. Choice between alternatives. Either we should do this project or that project. I do this or I do that. I do this or I do that. This decision making is investment appraisal. Present value calculation will come, annuity tables are going to apply, and a lot of calculation drama is going to be there. Got my point?
Yes.
Next one is business finance, cost of capital, business valuation, and the last one is risk management. Now, business finance, cost of capital, and business valuation, again, you can say it has calculation and theory as well. How business can manage its finances, cost of capital. What is the cost of capital for the business? And either business don't have money, so don't have sufficient money. Business need to take a loan. Okay. What is the impacts of the loan? What is the real cost of capital for the business? How much interest cost a business can bear? Okay, that type of things. Formulas, models are going to apply here. And business valuation, you have a business. What is it worth? Yani, what's the worth of your business? Okay. Any simple, if I give an example, some investor comes and asks you, hey guy, tell me how much for this business? I would like to buy your business. How much? So you need to value your business, no? There are models to value the business. There are formulas to deal with it. So business valuation is again a calculation and theoretical based topic. And risk management, everywhere there is risk. For business, there is risk. Everywhere there are risk involved. So how to mitigate, reduce the risk. That's what we are going to discuss here. Again, theory plus calculation. Yani, as I am talking about the topics, what you observed, that theory, calculation, theory. So the key to success of FM is you must be aware of theoretical area. And I used to say the technique is study hub, kit. And if you have spare time, if you are full-time student, Kaplan study text. Some students are working, they don't have time, so for them shortcut is study hub and Kaplan kit. But if you are a full-time student and you want to score good marks, then the thing is study text, Kaplan study text, study hub, and Kaplan kit. Although all together with my notes, definitely. Without notes, nothing, because we will study the course with notes and study hub. So that's the overall paper introduction. Do you have any questions?
No, sir, I understand.
So that's all about FM.